So I've made a video about this airdrop on Islamic project. So this is called ISLM as the name of the token. Okay, so it's treated to be launched on KuCoin exchange and other top exchange that we have, which is scheduled to be on the 10th of October. So it's not hard to join. So when you join this airdrop, you're going to receive instant 30 points. Okay, so it's just like 30 ISLM. So we don't know the value of one SLM as it stands, but it's very good and advisable you join airdrop like this, and this could become one of the potential projects that will make you a lot of profits. Okay, so when you share your link, so I'm going to show you how to get started. And also, for those that were having issue with verification, you can simply register now and verify instantly. All right. So guys, the next thing you're going to do when you click on the link in the description of this video, you are going to be landed to this page. So you see this pre-launch registration. Okay, just tap on it. You are expected to fill out your details, fill out your correct information, so that once KYC is opened, you can be able to get verified directly, and you will receive your free airdrop. Okay, so they are giving out 30 ISLM tokens. Okay, so and this will become visible on your dashboard after verification is made available. Okay, so what you need to do is to simply sign up and then get your account verified and then wait for next update. Okay, so they are launching in the next 2 days, so it's advisable you join the airdrop so quick. Okay, so that you won't miss out if eventually it gets to turn out to become much valuable. Okay, so it's as simple as that. After you've registered successfully, you will be prompted to log in. So you see this login. All right, so it's as simple as this. Click on this, put your email that you verified, and then you click on password. All right, so insert your password and the email you signed up with. So successfully you'll be taken to your dashboard. So the account page will not be showing your bonus, because the bonus will be provided once the airdrop distribution is made available after the KYC, according to the information we have received from their Twitter page. All right, so that is how simple it is. So I'm going to show you a free airdrop tokens that you'll be claiming, and then you can convert it to USDT and withdraw to your account. This is all capitals, guys. So I have actually seen some withdrawal proofs arising from this project. I've shared a video on how you can be getting their free token every single day. Okay, so you'll be getting their ACAP token, and the value of ACAP token, according to the price on the website, is $0.338. Okay, so you can be claiming it every single day. I'm going to show you what you need to do. So as a new user, once you signed up, you'll be given $100 instantly. Okay, so this $100 is what you are going to use to make a pledge. Just simply come to the second option down here after the home page. You will be directed to see this. So what you're going to put here is $100. Okay, just put 100, then you select 3 days plan. So you just tap on there. You will be given many options to choose. So the right one that will give you access to invest $100 bonus is this particular one, 3 days reward. Okay, so once you've tapped here, you will actually see this interest rate 1.1%. so you allow this to be on reinvestment. Okay, so you just tap on this pledge successfully. You will pledge your $100 bonus. Now if you have been claiming your and signing in every single day, so you're supposed to see let me show you something. Come to the home page, you see this check-in. All right, so you see this check-in. When you tap on check-in, you will see where you'll be signing in every single day. So once you come here after 24 hours, you sign in, and then you will get a spin chance. Okay, you get one chance to spin. Just tap on go, you will spin and get any of these results, and it will be credited in your wallet. Okay, so that is how you do it. Now if we go back, let me go back again. You can see that there is a conversion after the pledge. So if you have earned somewhat of this ALCAP token, you can literally convert it, but it's advisable you allow your coin to actually accumulate, because the value of this coin is gradually increasing. So it was 0.2 as of the time that I made the first video about this free website. Okay, so you have to allow it to accumulate enough so you can literally swap it to USDT, and then it will be deposited in your wallet as well. So if you put, you can see the value of 1 here currently, you can see it right here, that $1 is equivalent to 2.9. so gradually the value will be increasing. So I recommend you don't rush to swap your token to USDT. So that is kindly a simpler manner you can earn free airdrop or free USDT here. So if you come to team, you can refer people and then they join your team. So you come to assets, you see the balance you have earned. All right, so you can see the value of this. I have around $11, and I also have around $12 and so on. So each time you gain a reward, you will receive the reward here in USDT. So let me go back to the home page. Once you've clicked on this, every single day after 7 days you will receive additional $100. Okay, you can see it here. So you can spin every day after you sign in. All right, so once you receive this after 7 days, you go back to the pledge and then insert the $100 here. All right, insert the $100 here and then reinvest again. Follow the same cycle and do it repeatedly. So the more you are earning, the more you accumulate. And also once you have your balance up to $100, you can use it simply to make a pledge, maybe a day pledge. Like here, you click on this 1 day, you can see. So once you select 1 day, you can go ahead and pledge and make profit, so that you activate withdrawal. So that is simply how to make money with this easy website. So it's currently paying. I've seen a lot of withdrawal proofs, so let me quickly show you. So this is actually one of the withdrawal proof from a colleague. Okay, as you can see that this is a withdrawal of $15.5 from this website. Okay, so AllCaptial is paying for free. Okay, so it's is an update that I dropped in the video in the group, and also made a video about it some time ago. So you can simply